If your PC is having trouble with Wi-Fi or a flaky wired connection, you can use Windows' built-in network reset path to return networking components to their default state. In this walkthrough, you'll follow the same steps shown on screen, and you'll also see a few command line repairs you can run if the issue still hangs on. You start here because all of the reset options live inside Settings, and getting to the right place first keeps the rest of the process simple. On screen, you open Settings just as shown. If Settings doesn't open the way you expect, try using the Start button and selecting it from there. Next, you move into the Network area where Windows keeps connection controls. On screen, you click Network and Internet so you can get to the options that affect Wi-Fi and wired connectivity. If you don't see the same layout, stay within Settings and look for the Network section rather than jumping to another tool. This step matters because the reset option is reached from the Advanced Network page in the walkthrough. You click Network and Internet first, then open Advanced Network Settings exactly as shown. If you land on the wrong page, back up one level and choose the Advanced Network area again. Now you're at the place where Windows offers the actual reset path. On screen, you click Network Reset after opening Advanced Network Settings, which is the option that returns networking components to their defaults. If you don't see it right away, keep following the same network settings path shown here instead of closing Settings. This matters because the manual repair commands need administrative access to run correctly. You open the Start menu, type cmd, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator, and the shield icon is the reminder that these commands need elevated rights. If the admin prompt doesn't appear, make sure you really chose the administrator option before moving on. You're now clearing one part of the network stack that can hold on to bad settings. On screen, you run netsesh winsock reset catalog in command prompt, which is one of the manual fixes listed in the article. If nothing seems to happen right away, make sure the command was actually entered and executed in the admin window. This step resets another core networking layer that can block normal connectivity. You run netsesh int IP reset in command prompt, following the same manual repair approach shown on screen. If the command doesn't take, double-check that command prompt is still running as administrator before trying again. Finally, you clear out old name resolution data so Windows can start fresh. On screen, you run ipconfig/flush DNS in command prompt, which helps refresh the DNS cache after the other resets. If connectivity still isn't right after this, the article suggests restarting and then reconnecting to your network to test again. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect to your saved networks and may need to re-enter passwords, so keep those credentials handy. For more Windows how-tos and troubleshooting guides, WindowsForum.com is a helpful place to keep going.